Olivia here. I'm feeling really good about this story I started writing a few days ago. I brainstormed lots of ideas. I planned it out, and then I wrote a draft. Now, I'm revising. Revision is as important as your initial draft. During the first draft, you try a lot of things and see what sticks. But sometimes you overdo it. Maybe you cranked up the conflict to the point where it's not very believable. Revision is your chance to pull back and balance your story. Let's get started. During revision, you have a chance to make your characters, conflict, and plot more compelling, consistent, and believable. First, you should read your draft from beginning to end before you change anything. And take notes about what you want to revise. Maybe you gave your main character too much conflict at the beginning, and you want to save some for later. Or maybe you realize your main character wouldn't make some of the decisions you had her make. Or maybe you added so many characters you can't keep them all straight. That's a pretty good hint that your readers will get confused too. That's okay. Now is your chance to make final decisions about which ideas get to stick around. Drafting is about adding to your idea. Revision is about cutting down to make your story the best it can be. Just remember that conflict is the heart of your story. Keep the best and let go of the rest. When your story is fully revised, it's time to proofread. Even if you have already proofread at an earlier stage, you'll want to do it again when you finish revising. Typos tend to grow in a changing story. When you proofread, you should read your story from beginning to end again. It helps to read out loud. Sometimes you can hear mistakes that your eyes would miss. Janice leapt to her feet, with her sword in hand. Yep, I caught that error. I like proofreading hard copy of my stories. I think it helps me notice more errors. Do your best to fix punctuation, spelling, and formatting. These issues will distract your reader from the story you are trying to tell. Are you ready to revise? Get to it. When you finish, you can publish your work. Your readers will appreciate a well-revised story. Good luck!